Boron trichloride is planar molecule because in these molecules, boron is, what is the hybridization? sp2 hybridization. sp2 hybridization. Dear students, you know hybridization can be identified by two ways. Please follow, my dear students. We can do it by two ways. One by calculation based on that. Another is by taking the central atom. The two methods are there. So one method is A, B, C, D and E. We have to calculate. New students, I will repeat, you kindly note. What is A? Suppose I will take boron trichloride. What is A? Total number of electrons, valence electron present in the, all the atom present in the compound. All the atom present in the compound. Total number of valence electron present in the compound. So valence electron is boron 2s2p1, 3. Chlorine 2s2p5, 7. 3 into 7, 21. So total is 24. Dear students, kindly follow. A 24. B. Total number of atom attached to central atom. 3 chlorine atom attached to central atom boron. So 3. Nothing but bond pair. Kindly note this. Bond pair. Because this will be useful for valence electron repulsion theory. Bond pair. C. C means B into 2 for hydrogen. B into 8 for other atom of that. That means in this case chlorine, so B 3 into 8, that is 24. Then D, A minus C by 2, that is 24 minus 24 by 2 equal to 0, that is lone pair. Kindly follow. D lone pair, B bond pair, D lone pair. If you know lone pair bond pair, according to valence bond electron pair repulsion theory, you can predict the shape of any molecule. Coming for E hybridization, B plus D, it is 3. 3 means sp2 is the hybridization. sp2 is the hybridization. Kindly follow. Anybody having doubt, please ask explanation. I will explain. Old students or new students, newly joined. Students who already attended, they know very clearly this calculation. I have explained them. Anybody having problem, please ask me. Otherwise, I will go for the second method. No, sir. Okay, please follow. The second method is, you take the central atom. What is central atom? Boron. What is the boron configuration? Boron is 2s2, 2p1. 2s2, 2p1. Kindly follow. This is ground state. Excited state, now we know 1, and this is going for 1 here, 1 here. What is boron trichloride? 3 atom attached, so 3 unpaired electron. So this is S, this is P. 2s, 2p. That means 1s plus 2p undergoes combination according to hybridization to produce 1s plus 2p. So 3sp2 shape will be this. This is the shape of boron. Then chlorine and chlorine, and this is chlorine. So kindly follow. We are identifying sp2 hybridization. This is the central boron. This is the chlorine atom. 2s2p5 means one chlorine atom with unpaired electron is overlapping. So bond angle is 120. So this is the second method we are identifying. Why I am giving these two methods? Because suppose if you are getting 4 as the total E, there is a problem. Is it sp3 or dsp2? The problem will arise. In that case, go for the second method, identify. And also for complex molecule like MnO4, ClO4 minus etc., second method is useful.